Hey friends, how's it going? Today, I'm doing some work on my Ninja 1000. I am going to be swapping out this stock fuel cap with the lock with this vortex cap that just has a little lever right there to open it. Should make it much easier to stop and get fuel so I don't have to mess with the keys. It's a pain in the butt, you know what it is. All right, getting the old one off should be pretty straightforward. Here I've got a 4mm little like hex wrench. I'm gonna go through and loosen the bolts here and take these guys out really quick. And there's going to be 3 longer ones that are the same length and 2 shorter ones there. Just use the longer ones when we do this. Kind of a cool thing with this cap, you get the option, there's these different color switches that you can order. They come separately. This one comes with a silver one, which I'm using because it matches my bike scheme. But you can get different colors to match your bike. I'll link this plus any tools I use down below for you guys as well. I'll point out there's no instructions that come with this. It's pretty straightforward though. It's pretty self-explanatory, but just be aware there are no instructions in this. It's literally just the gas cap with the seal on it and the top of it right there. Now, once we have those bolts out, we've got to remove this from the current tank. It's going to be kind of tough. It's on there pretty good. Now, to get it out of here, you're going to have to grab your key after you've taken those bolts out, and you're going to put your key in and just go to unlock it like you normally do. And that's going to allow this whole thing to come off now. Here's your old one. There is your gas tank. So now we've just got to put that new one on there. This is a super easy mod and one I definitely would recommend if you ride a lot and you have to get fuel a lot like I do, because it's truly just a pain in the butt dealing with the key in this thing. So on this new one, I'm going to go ahead and loosen the tab that's like the safety switch. And then to take the cap off, you just take these and you twist it. It's going to be hard to do with one hand, I think, but you take this, there you go. And then this just spins off to remove from here, and this is what you'll fill up with now. You see that just comes off. We're going to take our new one, get it on here, and we're going to line up the bolt holes inside of these guys to bolt this in. And again, it's those longer screws, the longer bolts we took out of there that will go into each one of these guys. Don't drop it down your gas tank. Oh, that would be bad. Don't do that. So you could put your lid on to be safe if you were worried about dropping it. But just get those guys nice and lined up like that. And now we can go ahead and tighten those back down. You could put a little bit of like a thread locker on there if you wanted to help maybe hold it in place. It looked like possibly there was some on there from the factory. It was like a gray color, so I would do like a blue, like a medium hold or something. Definitely don't do like a red. And I'll check these after a while just to make sure they're not coming off or anything. And now I'm just tightening them down to hold it in place. Man, this thing already looks awesome. I'm excited about this. It's one of those mods I knew I wanted to do when I got this bike. Go ahead and get those tightened, just like that. Now I can go ahead and get that actual cap, put it on there. Lock it down, and there we go. That's it. So now when I stop to get fuel, it's as simple as literally spinning that latch to unlock it. It won't, like it'll hit right there if you try to do it when it's locked. Spin that to unlock it. Now I just spin this off. Now I can put my fuel in. Guys, this is awesome. Way easier than needing to use a key. Yeah, you got to spin a little lid thing on there, but man, look how good that looks. That's sharp, guys. If you haven't done so, be sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button, give me the like, leave a comment, and all that fun stuff. I appreciate it. The support is amazing. It helps me continue doing stuff like this. All right, easiest mod. You can literally do this in less than 5 minutes. I mean, I made a video and it's less than 5 minutes to do that, but that thing is sharp, looks great. Like I said, I'll put links down below. Till next time.